Hey guys, it's Frank from Cruising with Wheels. Are you still being inundated by tons of spam calls all day long? And I don't mean someone trying to sell you meat in a can. A 24/7 barrage of phone-ringing nonsense. Join me in calling out Congress one more time to stop the madness in this episode of Frank Pushes Back. That's right, Congress. Weren't you supposed to have passed some laws that prohibit all of these horrible, unwanted phone calls that come to us all day long? Yeah. So let's review. Now, in 1991, Congress passed the Telephone Consumer Protection Act. Yeah. And in 1994, Congress passed the Telemarketing and Consumer Fraud and Abuse Prevention Act. And in 2003, the FTC amended this rule to create, here you go, the National Do Not Call Registry. That's right. It allows consumers to register their names with the FTC to indicate that they do not want telemarketers contacting them. That's right. Go to donotcall.gov or call 1-888-382-1222. However, this act does not apply to solicitations from nonprofits or political candidates or organizations or to solicitations to individuals with established business relationships with telemarketers. And in 2019, the TRACE Act was passed. Telephone, Robocall, Abuse Criminal Enforcement and Deterrence Act. It's a long word. Sounds like it should be doing a lot. Congress gave the FTC new tools to fight unwanted and often illegal robocalls. Yeah. Sounds great, right? BS. This crap is still going on. Now, about 5 years ago, Kevin and I purchased the CPR call blocker V5000. Yeah, we got it on QVC. It was 50% off. Now, it attaches to your phone system, and it's preloaded with about 5,000 known nuisance call numbers. Now, if a number that is not in the program gets through to your home, all you have to do is hit #2 and hang up, and it blocks that number. Now, every morning I check the call log to see how many missed calls we're trying to get through that the call blocker blocked. And you know, it's usually 10 to 20. Can you imagine 10 to 20 calls that the call blocker didn't get through? I mean, it's crazy. But we still get calls that do get through all day long. Now, these calls come from phone numbers from all over the country. Yeah, I mean, we get calls just from everywhere. And these companies, these spam callers, are using other people's phone numbers. Swear to God, I remember one day the phone rang, I picked it up, I looked at the phone number, calling in to see who it was, and it was my phone number. Yeah, apparently I was calling myself. So I answer, hello? Who is this? What number are you calling from? Because, hello, idiot, it's my phone number. You're using my number to call me. It's crazy. Unbelievable. And another time, it was my sister's phone number. And I was like, oh, my sister Janine's calling in. Hi, how you doing? And it's, again, a spam call. Our house phone rings, my cell phone rings, Kevin's cell phone rings all day long from crazy phone numbers from New Mexico, Oregon, New Jersey, Idaho. I mean, it's crazy. And there's all these, again, these different numbers, and the phone is ringing. And of course, the first thing, who, I go, I don't know, area code 607, I don't know. And it's a spam call. Or the phone rings and it actually says spam likely. Now, we get the usual calls every day, okay, from the same, I don't want to say person, because it's not a person. And true to form, right before I came into the studio to film this video, exactly at 9 a.m. in the morning, I got the first one right on schedule. Yep, first one. We get our friend, I call, friend, Sarah from Discover. Yep. Computer Sarah calls at least two to three times a day.
Hi, this is Sarah from Discover.
And I'm like, Sarah, why are you calling me? I do not have a Discover card. You know why? I do not want a Discover card. Do not call me. And I know it's crazy because it's a computer. It's Computer Sarah.
Sarah, leave me alone.
Now, you know who's not calling me? Jason Momoa. Jason, boo. Why are you not calling me? Call me. Now, next we have Sarah's friend, Allison. Now, Allison also calls about 2 to 3 times a day. And usually when we're in the middle of like lunch or I'm napping, and I'm just drifting off and the phone rings. Very irritating.
Hi, this is Allison for your vehicle service department. Your car's warranty is about to expire.
And I'm like, clack. Allison, why are you calling me? I do not have a car. I do not have a car warranty. Why are you bothering me?
Stop calling me.
You know who's not calling me? Idris Elba. Idris, boo. Why are you not calling me? Call me. Why am I not getting the calls I want to get? I don't want to hear from Chris all about debt consolidations. I don't want to get calls from all these people running for office. I know it's election time, but boy, I don't want to hear from you. Leave me alone. Stop calling. Except maybe Chris Hemsworth. Chris, boo. Why are you not calling me? Call me. I'm just saying, stop bothering us with the calls we don't want and bother us with the calls we do want. Hello, Publishers Clearinghouse. Are you listening? Call me. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. I know that so many of you are experiencing the same things that we are. And I don't know what our government is going to do about stopping this. It really is an infringement on the peacefulness of our home. We shouldn't have to be running for the phone all day long answering these crazy spam phone calls. Or in my case, trying to roll to the phone. It's very, very irritating. But on behalf of Kevin and myself from Cruising with Wheels, remember, don't just watch our videos on YouTube. Click that subscribe button and be a regular family member of Cruising with Wheels. It's free. Just use your little finger. Also, click the little bell, and you'll get automatic notifications when our videos go live. We're on all the social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. So remember to always travel safe and cruise often.